I'ma give it all I got, all I got. Like 23, I stay on top, stay on top. I do it like it's my last shot, my last shot. We out.
Alright, that just took me so long to move that bike. If that wasn't time-lapse, that was like 10 minutes. But we are back with another video. We got pegs. You see that? Pegs. Hope the lighting's alright. They are by Los, I hope I don't butcher this, Los Monkiis. You can check them out on Instagram or website. It's probably reversed, but I'll leave a link. But yeah, we got some pegs. So let me open this. Should be direct fit. While I'm opening this merch plug, we got windbreakers. Once again, lighting ink rate, camo. We got navy. You know, linking down below, I guess. Check it out. Mosquitoes, man. It's raining outside. Oh, that's hardware. I do have stuff coming, so I'm gonna try to do some moto vlogs. And I'm waiting to do a review, or not a review, I guess just feedback of everything I've put on. I'll try to do like a ride around of me talking about it and stuff, if anyone actually cares. But that stuff's coming, so hopefully next week or this weekend. The packaging is pretty good. I got black. They do have a few other colors if you want to like match your bike or something. Oh, man. They're kind of like moto pegs. You know what I mean? Like they have the nubs on there. It's pretty legit, pretty sick. Wow, mosquitoes. Yeah, this thing is, they're looking pretty good. I'll see if I can get a video of them in some light. Just kidding, this is not hardware. This is a, oh replacements. Yeah, it's not gonna focus. I guess for the, oh! Let me just put these down before I lose them all. Okay. You know, replacement nub things. Okay, so I don't know if there's a left or a right. I guess there is. I think this is the left. We'll find out. Really hope the lighting's not horrible. So yeah, I'll get rid of these rubber ones. I mean, I haven't really had a problem with the grip on these, but I just kind of don't like them. So, let's see. I'm gonna have to get a light. You know, dead. But if you can see that, this piece just has to slide off, and then I believe this pin will come out. Just save the spring, other one back in, and that's it. Should be a minute. Alright, so I'm kind of an idiot. Quick side note to all of you who decided to buy these. or something like this. They come packed like this, with the part that goes into the bike up like that, but it will not work like that. It has to be turned around so they go in this way. If you can see it on this. All you have to do is loosen that Allen key head right there and twist it around. Alright, so I got the first one on. I didn't film anything because I had to make sure I wasn't being a complete idiot, which I was at first. This flash kind of sucks. Kind of botched that, but it is what it is. So you still got focus, movement, which is sick, and you can adjust, you know, forward or back, whatever feels comfortable. So I'll try to film the other side, and hopefully it doesn't take too long. Okay, I just realized this side's probably going to be a little harder because I got the kickstand. But when you're taking it off, just take note of which way the spring is also facing. Okay, so it's pretty hard for me to set this up to film while I'm doing it. So you just want to keep moving this until you can get that other piece straight so the whole thing can slide out. Now that piece is out and mangled. By the way, I've been using just 2 needle nose pliers for this whole time. Let's see if I can just push. I was able to just push that out before. There's not really much else you can get in here with, but alright. There we go. Yeah, and then the whole thing just flies out. But you got a little spacer in there, so don't lose any of that. Now, what I was talking about is the pegs come like this, but they don't line up. I don't even know if you can tell. Do not line up. So you flip them. Obviously it makes sense, so it has to pivot, so that rounded edge allows it to pivot, and then it lines up. And then you get that back through. I just take my pliers, put this back. This is not easy. I need a filmer. Okay, so I just take the pliers. I'll try to straighten this out. Get that piece back through. Okay, so I finally spread those, which is actually an extreme pain in the ass, at least for me. But then you just take, focus, 5mm Allen key, loosen that a little bit. Get that to where a spot you think you might like it. Just gonna tighten that down a little bit. That didn't work, did it? Try it again. Doing this with one hand. It's got like notches, you can feel them. Probably see that. Alright, one hand. There you go. Still got the movement. Right of the round, adjust it if you feel like you need to. But there we go. I dig them. I think they came out, they look sweet. Stoked that they can still move, fit in there good, so. I was saying, I got stuff coming for the GoPro. I'm gonna try to do some moto vlog stuff. Once I get the stuff set up for the GoPro, I'll be able to ride around, do a video of what I think all the parts I got, what I would have done different, you know, stuff like that, if I can come up with stuff. But if you've got any questions about this install, let me know. I know the video quality probably wasn't that great. It's dark out, but I'm working late. Yeah, just leave a comment, subscribe, and hopefully we got some new stuff coming soon.
I'ma give it all I got.